Welcome! In this video, I'll be walking you through the brand new way to add sounds to your Discord soundboard on PC. With the latest update, the process has become super simple, and I'll show you exactly how to set everything up step by step. First, open up your Discord app and head straight into the server where you want to add custom sounds. This works best if you already have the right permissions, since soundboard settings are managed at the server level. Once you're inside the server, click on the server name at the top left of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose the option for server settings. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools you need to manage custom features for your server. Next, look for the Soundboard tab in the settings menu. Once you click it, you'll see all of the current sounds available, as well as the option to add new ones. To add your own, simply tap on the Upload Sound button. From here, select an audio file stored on your PC. The file should be something short and fun, since Discord soundboard clips are designed to keep things quick and lighthearted. Choose a sound you want to upload, then hit Open. Now it's time to customize. You'll be asked to give your sound a name so that everyone knows what it is. You can also choose an emoji icon to represent it, which adds a bit of character to your soundboard. Additionally, you'll be able to set the playback duration so the clip plays exactly how you want it to. Once you've finished customizing, click on the Upload button. The sound will instantly be added to your server's soundboard, and now you and your friends can start playing it in voice chats. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can bring your Discord server to life with custom sounds tailored to your community. Experiment with different clips, add some humor or personality, and make your server's chats more engaging than ever.